It's day 2 of our visit to the second tallest human settlement in Ghana, West Africa. Behind me right here is the Mount Sinai, right here in Amajope. It's 2,400 feet above sea level. Do you have the courage to try climbing this mountain? Yes, every human have that courage, and it's necessary for us to take time off the daily stress and visit here, enjoy nature. It's quite an amazing view from up there, 2,400 feet above sea level. Come on, it's such a beauty to experience.
Amajope is a remote village located in the whole West District of Volta region, about 35 kilometers north of the capital, Ho. Nicknamed Small London, Amajope is a place with lovely climate. The lowest temperature recorded here was 14 degrees Celsius some decades ago. This is the second highest human settlement in Ghana. A very peaceful human habitat resting up above the mountains is home to Mount Sinai, the second highest mountain in Ghana. Grounded, firmly standing in beauty and power at 2,400 feet above sea level. The name Amajope translates the beginning of humanity. Visitors and tourists from across the world come here to experience this incredible wonder of nature. Far across the beautiful landscape of mountains and valleys, one can see the great Volta Lake in the distance. It is very clear to see the surrounding towns and villages from such a breathtaking altitude. Up here, it does not take long for the rain to come down once the rain clouds begin to gather. It often gets foggy, most especially at night through to morning. This phenomenon becomes dangerous when it gets extreme, impairing vision due to the drop in temperature. Led by Dr. Ivo Ringa in the 1800s, the German missionaries traveled to this part of the world. They realized it was simply perfect for their stay. A few things that made it so were the climate, the landscape, and the wonderful people of this heaven. The German missionaries during their stay in the 1800s established churches and schools to preach the gospel and educate the people. In 1939, the metallic cross up the mountain was erected. Before this, there was a telecommunication pole up there which helped the Germans to be able to communicate with their colleagues in Togo and also back home in Germany. The remains of a few missionaries were buried at a designated cemetery here in Amajope called the German Cemetery. It is an absolute beauty to witness up above here. One would feel like he or she is closer to heaven. Such an amazing experience up here on Mount Sinai. Having a view from this altitude, one can only be thankful to God by expressing gratitude for what Mother Nature has given to humanity. How wonderful are the creations of God!
The Germans who were here then were missionaries. Volta region was colonized by Germans, and then as well as Togo. Yes, and so those we had here were missionaries. Yes, and during their missionary works, they will have to do establishments as well, like putting up churches, putting up schools, and many other things. Their leader then was Dr. Ivory. Yes, and so it was during their first jubilee they had at the cross. It's in 1939.
Nine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, I would say behind the cross as well was an antenna, which was really used for the communication purposes. They communicate from Togo, Ghana, and home. Yeah. They established a small cemetery here, so the few that died during that period were buried here. And so, if they arrive here as Germans who are here for tour, we tell them about it, and then they would want to have a look at the cemetery.
From Gimpa Middle Level Staff Association, we came to visit Mount Gemi, and it has been a beautiful experience. And trust me, I've enjoyed life and I have enjoyed nature. One thing I've realized about climbing this mountain here is that God is so wonderful, and I began to praise God the moment I started climbing this mountain. I would also like to say that I've enjoyed the weather here, and what I want to encourage those in Accra, those in the cities, after working, take some days off, come and enjoy nature, come and free yourself of the stress. You see, Amejope is a beautiful place that you can come and then you enjoy life, you enjoy nature. Come here and ease yourself of that stress. The work is okay, but sometimes you have to come and cool off, right? Cool off and enjoy life. You can come with your fiancé, you can come with your wife, your children. Never come here alone. When you come here alone, the weather itself will beat you. You understand? You will miss the one that you have left at home, right? Please. This place is really enjoying. I encourage anyone, those in the working life, please cool off their stress. Come here and enjoy life. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Brother, it's YOLO. You only live one.
You only live one. You only live one.
YOLO. Martin Gemi.